In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pokemon Go app on Android. If you've been curious about jumping into the world of augmented reality adventures, Pokemon Go is a great place to start. It's a free game where you explore real-world locations to catch Pokemon, battle in gyms, and join raid battles with other players. Let's walk through the download and first launch so you're set up the right way. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into a Google account so the download works smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. Type Pokemon. Go into the search bar. Don't worry if you don't type the accent. Typing Pokemon Go works too. In the results, look for the official app by Niantic Inc. This is important. You'll recognize it by the Pokeball icon and the developer name Niantic Inc. Choosing the official app helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you get regular updates and security fixes. Tap the app to open its page, then tap Install. The file size can be a few hundred megabytes, so if you're on a limited data plan, consider using Wi-Fi. If your device is low on storage, free up a bit of space before starting. While it downloads, you'll see a progress indicator. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the game. If you don't open it right away, you can find it later in your app drawer under Pokemon Go. On the first launch, you'll be asked to sign in. Choose Google, Facebook, Apple, or Pokemon Trainer Club, whichever account you already use and plan to keep. If you've played before on another device, sign in with the same account to keep your progress. After signing in, the game may ask for permissions like location and camera. Location is essential for mapping nearby Pokemon and points of interest, and camera enables the augmented reality capture mode. You can adjust these later in your device settings if needed. That's all you need to start playing. From here, follow the on-screen tutorial to learn the basics, customize your avatar, and catch your first Pokemon. A quick tip, keep an eye on your battery as GPS and AR can use more power. Many players enable the in-game battery saver and carry a portable charger. Also, remember to stay aware of your surroundings while you play. You've successfully downloaded and opened Pokemon Go on Android. Enjoy exploring, have fun collecting, and good luck out there, trainer.